show you something with this snow. It's weird snow that isn't even really snow. Just I'll show you the part of the Henry. That's the part. You can see it's coming at the bottom of that now. So that's way back. But this. Straight off at the top. So I'm going to go in. Put that snow in the microwave. Microwave's on high. Let's see what happens to this little cup of snow. How long will I leave it in for? How long do you think you should melt that? Something's got to have happened at that. Let's see what it's like. Oh, wow. Wow. There's what we got. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That is not snow. Or not the snow that I ever know about anybody. That would have been melted if that was snow.